Hello, I'm Illustrious Elucidation. I'm a chemistry graduate, and now I would like to try again explaining Dr. Stone parts with the chemistry knowledge that I have. The cotton candy machine was upgraded with gears, so now it can spin in one direction with constant speed. With that, Prom had an idea, and together with Kaseki, they built a water wheel in 3 days. With extra improvement, the water wheel now works as hydroelectric power generator. To store the electricity generated, Senku made battery out of sulfuric acid and lead. And that's what I'm here for. The battery that Senku made is lead acid battery, and it's usually used as automatic battery or car battery, as in for only starting the engines. If you want to power the entire car, you want lithium battery. As you just heard, there are many kinds of battery, and different batteries feature different sets of electrochemical reactions. Electrochemical reaction usually comes in halves that happens in each of the electrode, the cathode and the anode. In the anode, an oxidation reaction happens, where the reactant loses electron and sends it along the wire. And in the cathode, a reduction reaction happens, when the electron is taken into the reactants. In Senku's new lead acid battery, the battery is charged first, so in one of the electrodes, lead becomes lead 4 oxide, while the other just electrolyzes water partially into hydrogen gas. Now the battery is ready to be used. When it's discharged, the lead 4 oxide becomes lead 2 sulfate, and the lead 0 also becomes lead 2 sulfate. The voltage for this reaction is about 2 volts, and for 6 cells, that's about 12 volts. When it's recharged, the reverse reaction happens. One feature of lead acid battery is that some of sulfuric acid is consumed during discharging and regained when recharging. The density of the electrolyte that has concentrated sulfuric acid and the one with dilute sulfuric acid is different. So by measuring the density of the electrolyte using hydrometer, it's easy to know how much charge is left in this battery. Also, if this battery is overcharged, water electrolysis happens instead. That's bad for 2 reasons. 1. Obvious explosion danger, and 2. It reduces the volume of electrolyte because water is consumed. That is why car batteries can be topped up with water during maintenance. In conclusion, the battery Senku made is a lead acid battery, which is an example of electrochemical system that can discharge and be recharged. When it's charged, 2 lead 2 sulfate electrodes become lead and lead 4 oxide, and vice versa when discharged. Different battery has different quirks, and for lead acid battery, one of them is that the density of sulfuric acid electrolyte tells how much charge is left. That's all I have for now. If you want to look at me explaining another battery, go ahead to the video of episode 23, the tungsten episode.